Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu X1 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. We can pair this watch with Android phone in two ways. The first way is to do it through the setup process of the watch, so if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, and the second way is to do it through the settings after the watch has been already set up, because I believe you can set it up without pairing it with a phone, and also maybe you want to connect it to a different device. You can also do that if you want to. Okay, first I'm gonna show you how to do it through the setup process, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the settings. So let's start with the setup. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch. You can do it by pressing and holding the upper button. After you hold it for a few seconds, you can release it and wait. You should see some Garmin logo on the screen after, I don't know, maybe 10 seconds. And once you see it, wait until the watch is done booting up. And once the watch boots up and it's brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, you will see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list, find the language you would like to use, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it. And after you select the language, you will be asked if you want to pair your watch with a phone or not. Like I said before, you can set up the watch without pairing it with a phone. To do it, you tap on X and then continue by following the instructions on the screen. But we want to pair our watch with a phone, so we can tap on the check mark. And the watch will enter the pairing mode. You can tell by the QR code on the screen. And now we need to download and install the Garmin Connect application on the phone we want to pair our watch with. So I'm gonna go to my Android phone, make sure that I have internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once I do, we can open the Play Store, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in Garmin Connect and tap on search. And you should see this application on the list, Garmin Connect by Garmin, with this icon. Tap on install to download and install it. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on open to open it. In the application, you will need to log in into a Garmin account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on create account right here, make a new one, and then use it to log in. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on sign in, check the box, tap next, and then enter the email address and password. So give me a few seconds. Okay, should be good enough. Then we can tap on next. I don't want to save the password, thank you. If you see this pop up about the notifications, you can allow it or deny it. And as you can see, we need to allow another permission. This one is required, so tap on allow access, allow. And the app should start searching for the nearby devices. As you can see, it detected our watch quite quickly. If it doesn't detect your watch, you can try to press the lower button to go back, then re-enter the pairing mode by tapping on the check mark again. And once the app detects your watch, you can tap on connected. Here you can tap on link device. Basically, if you want to use features like phone notifications and stuff like that, you will need to link the device together. If you don't care, you can skip it, but I recommend to link it. So scroll down, tap on allow, tap on pair, here tap on next. If you have different devices connected to your account, it will ask you if you want this watch to be your primary wearable. And I do, so I'm gonna tap on yes. Right here we can set up sleeping schedule. This is useful if you want to receive or rather not receive the notifications during sleep. So basically it will turn on the do not disturb mode during sleep. It will basically mute any notifications and stuff like that. And when you're sleeping, do not disturb you during sleep, and you can edit here and change the time on which you to go to bed, change the time on which you wake up. Basically, you can adjust it to your preferences, and then you can tap on save, tap next. Next we have the preferred wrist, tap next. Here you can allow the location permission. It's useful if you want to use features like local weather, tracking your location on the map when you're running and cycling and stuff like that. If you don't care, you can tap on skip. If you want to allow it, tap on allow. It will direct you to this page. Here you need to tap on permissions. You need to find the location, tap on it, and you can select allow while you're only using the app or allow all the time. The app will bother you to allow it for all the time, which is very annoying, but you can try turning it on for only while using the app, and then just telling it that you don't want to allow it for all the time and just be bothered by it, or just simply allow it for all the time if you want to. Then tap on back button. Now tap on sync now, finish. As you can see on the watch, we can set up a passcode. So if you want to protect your watch, you can make a passcode. Basically, you will need to enter it each time you unlock the screen on your watch. I'm gonna skip it, but if you want to, you can do it. And here we have a tutorial how to use the watch. You can go through it by tapping on the next, but I'm just gonna tap on skip, then finish. Right here we can set up the Wi-Fi network. So basically, if you want to connect your watch to the Wi-Fi network, you can do it right here. If you don't care, you can tap on set up Wi-Fi later. If you want to add a network, tap on add network. It will start searching for nearby networks. And once it finds the list, you can tap on the network you want to connect. And then tap on password and enter the password for the network. Once you enter the password, you can tap on next. And we should be good. Yeah. Tap next, finish. And you should see the home page of the app. For some reason, it wants us to set up passcode again. I'm just gonna skip it again. Then we have the text size. So you can change the text size on your watch if you prefer the bigger one or smaller one. Then tap on the check mark. You can select the preferred activities. You can skip it or tap on check mark. And then open the categories. You have different categories, as you can see. And once you open the category, you can select the activities you like to see as a priority on your list. So for example, we can select hike and walk. And once you're done, you can tap on done. Now you should see the watch face on your watch. And if you tap on got it right here, tap on more and Garmin devices, you should see your Venu X1 on the list, which means that the devices are paired together. Okay, so now I'm gonna unpair it because it's already paired, and I'm gonna show you how to do it through the settings. So I'm gonna remove it, tap on OK, settings, and remove it from here as well. And now we're gonna pair it through the settings. To do that, you need to enter the pairing mode on your watch, of course, and to enter the pairing mode, you need to press the upper button to open the favorites menu, and scroll down, look for the settings icon and tap on it. Here look for the option called connectivity and select it, and then find phone, tap on it, then tap on pair phone, and now you are in the pairing mode. And of course, if you don't have the application, download and install it, log in, and it will start searching for the nearby devices. But if you already have an app and you're logged in, you can simply tap on more, Garmin devices, add device. It will start searching. It should detect your watch. Tap on connected, link device, allow, and it will basically go through the same steps as we did before. So pair, next, yes, bedtime, preferred wrist, sync now, finish, skip the tutorial, finish, set up Wi-Fi later, skip, finish, and now you should see the home page. On it you should see your watch, and on the list of devices as well, which means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.